Afternoon, everyone, on this absolute scorcher. Look, absolute beautiful day in a sea of old Ford. Blimey, that's boiling. And come through and have a look and see where we are with the Cosworth. We've had a good bit of time on this week, so thought I'd give you an update. The door step area is all repaired and in primer now. If you've been looking at our updates, there was a section butt welded in there, but when we cut that piece out, that's what it started off like. You could see inside where the seal had been repaired previously, so it was all rusty inside, but not still solid but rusty. So we cleaned up in there, rust treated it, epoxy primed before welding that back on. And then it'll get wax oiled, so that's future-proof, that area, so we're very pleased with that. There's a previous repair in there, which I advised the customer that we'll just clean it up to check it, and it's all solid. It's just gone through, just a little pinhole at the moment, so we're going to MIG weld that up. It'll get the epoxy primer and the seam. Where to go next? Oh, there's a small, well, it started off as a small hole, but they always grow, so there's a little rust bubble sort of in the middle of that, and then by the time it's cleaned back, the lip's a little bit thin, so I'm going to weld a new lip in, replace that, and yeah, before doing so I've had to pick out all this popcorny polystyrene stuff. Ford in their wisdom filled that void up, so I've cut all that out, which actually goes through to a hole in the, like a factory hole in the underside, so it's now a lot better that, you know, the moisture can escape rather than being a rust trap. So we've rust treated in there. Oh, worth mentioning, there's a little hole there from where the wing had been changed, so I'm going to MIG that up. Then next couple of jobs are the jack-in point and the floor area. Similar to the other side. In some parts it's a little bit worse. The seatbelt mount is just starting to go. We're going to clean up all the seams like we've done on the other side. I don't know if we've shown that. That's all that side cleaned up and resealed. And then go around to the other side. There was what, again, looked like a tiny hole just on the corner of this. Once I cut it back, again, the lip was a little bit rusty and thin, so ended up having a section put in there. It's all been rust treated for good measure. The seal repair's all been 2-pack primed. So we're just with guy cutting and flatted that back now. Although it's all under the side skirt cover, we're taking the same amount of care if it would be seen. So blocking the primer, going through the greys down to sort of 500 and then 800 SB2000. Yeah, that's where we're at. So yeah, really pleased. The customer's really pleased. And looking forward to getting on with it again next week. Have a lovely weekend, everyone.